Almighty Allah, who is the most merciful and most compassionate. Uh, in this lesson today, I want to work in a new protocol, or a protocol which is OSPF. This protocol, I will work in these branches that I have, in these 4 branches. But first, I want to start from the main, from the main router. Yeah, I will enter here. After that, I want to write into the global configuration mode, which is scanft. And after I want to write router OSPF. This one is first. I want to write first, or if I bring this one in, yeah, OSPF autonomous system number is 1. I want to write router OSPF 1, and after I want to write the network. If it is any, you must write these networks that you configure already, or this network. I'll show you. Let me sure running cafe. You can see it. These interfaces you must run, or you must run OSPF. You want to write conft router OSPF 1. First network is what? You must remember these networks. The first network 1.1.1.1, 1.1.1.1, and subnet mask is 255.0.0.0. Local mask, and area you must write the same area, which is 0. After that, I want to mention another one, 2.1.1.1, and also another one, 3.1.1.1. Okay, I have 2, 3, and 2, 2, 3 in 1. Yeah, this one is complete. I want to exit from it. When I exit from it, now I want to start from this piece, this router, because this one is second router, or host name is also Ningrahar conft. Now I want to write a router OSPF autonomous system number is 2. Yeah. Network is 1.1.1.2, or yeah, 0.0.0 is worker mask, and area must be same. You can see it, adjacency packet is coming. Enough. Now I want to enter here, and after that enter to the CLI and write tn conft router OSPF what? Autonomous system number is 4, and network is also 3.1.1.2. Worker mask is 0.0.0. Area is also 0. This packet will come. You can see it. Now I want to enter here, configure this one, run a protocol. Router OSPF what? Autonomous system number is 3. Network is what? 2.1.1.2. 2.1.1.2. Worker mask is 0.0.0. Area is also 0. You will watch for it. Yeah, you can see that adjacency packet is also coming from this Now I want to check it. That's the table. Show IP OSPF. No. Show IP route is coming. Or I can ping it without any problem. Like if I write ping 3.1.1.2, I can ping it. If I come here and write show IP route is coming. 1 or 2. 1 is this one, 2 is this one, 3 is also this one.